compute, we need to proceed and compute the cost of sales. Cost of sales. So cost of sales, basically the one we need to take into account a number of items. So first we start with the opening inventory. To this we add purchases, this one. To this we less the closing inventory. Closing inventory we have it in 1. This one. To this we then add certain depreciations, including this. We also add this depreciation, and we also have loss on disposal. Where do we have it? We have it as 15, but because it is a negative, let me just take the remainder we have here, because it should be a positive 15, like that. Yes, so I think those are the items which we consider is computing that. Then I want to make this figure a negative, and being a negative, I need to multiply everything here with -1, like that. And then I will enter. So that figure is what is 154,400, and I hope you can see that figure is appearing as a negative. Avoid that. Introduce a comma here. Introduce a comma, then you use those decimals. Do away those decimals like that, and then I will be able to. I will also arrange that. So after doing that, I will proceed and basically do what? Compute the cost of sales. Cost of sales basically coming there. So then I get the gross profit. The gross profit, I just need to do the outer sum. Outer sum, you can see what I've done there. I've said here I want to do the outer sum. I just click that cell, outer sum, and then you do what? And alternative rate. Alternative rate, we say you can just highlight all that. You say outer sum, you get that. So that will be the cost of sales. So basically bold this one, and then to this what we do? We add other incomes. We add other incomes. So for the other incomes, we say when checking for the other incomes within the extra balance, basically you check the items appearing on the credit side. Oh, yeah, okay. This one should be gross profit. Sorry for that. Should be the gross profit, not the cost of sales. Should be the gross profit. Should be the gross profit, like that. Gross profit. Yes, I will add other incomes. I'm saying when checking for the other incomes, we basically check the items appearing on the credit side of the balance. That's where we have two incomes. So the first item is ordinary share capital, 8% redeemable preference shares, debentures, devaluation, retain. None of those items are income. Revenue is an income, but we have already considered that. Down here, you can see investment income. Investment income is basically part of the other income that we copy that and basically bring it here. The amount here is what I add, or basically say it is equal to this one. I transfer it there. Then I will go back